Hey, my name's Avery, and in this video we've got two problems dealing with both finite and infinite sequences. So our first problem, we're looking at the summation of 2/5 raised to the k from 0 to 9, and this is a finite series, and this is our general form for it right here. So you've got k equals 0 on the bottom, n minus 1 on top, and then a times r, which is your common ratio to the k. And your formula for this is going to be a times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So our first thing we have to do is to determine all of our variables right here. So we know that 9 is equal to n minus 1, so n is going to equal 10. Our a equals 1 because there's nothing there, and then our ratio is going to be 2/5. And so just plug all that into your equation. You've got 1 times 1 minus 2/5 raised to the 10th over 1 minus 2/5, which is going to simplify to just 1 minus 2/5 to the 10th over 3 over 5. And then if you keep change flip, you're just going to multiply this top the numerator by 5/3. So if you've got 5 times 1 minus 2/5 to the 10th over 3, you can put that in your calculator, and that's going to roughly give you 1.6665. For our second problem here, we've got an infinite series. So we're looking from 0 to infinity, and it's asking to find whether or not it diverges or converges, and it's 3k to the 6, over 5k to the 6 plus 3. Typically, you know that if you're I can't think tonight. If your exponent on your leading term is the same, that it's just going to be those coefficients divided, which gives us 3/5. But even if you solve it out and you divide by k to the 6 on both terms, that's going to give you 3 over 5 plus 3 over k to the 6th. And we're going to find the limit as k approaches infinity using that new equation. So obviously 3 is a constant, so that's going to be 3 on the top, and then 5 is a constant on the bottom, and then this 3 over k to the 6, is going to be approaching 0. So that just gives you 3/5 as your limit. And according to the divergence test, we know that if our limit for this function is not equal to 0, then it is going to diverge.